Hi guys, I think today's day was good. Today I review about the super product. It's a monetize with DIF offer your own. This make you has $250 per day within 60 seconds. That's product name. Let's see. That's name TwistX. The autopilot untapped buyer traffic from the one of the world most respected platform. Breakthrough, push a button, technology branded for a new 2021. They promote any like thousands of angry buyers installing without paid ads. 100% beginner friendly, no tech skill experience needed. DFI monetization campaigns included for all inclusive solutions. No email list and websites, no other tool needs. Set the further the traffic campaign. So within 60 seconds, let's proof below. Let I show the belows of proof. Today I only got the $12 per one time. Let's show how it's working. I am in your TwistTX login page. This is my login account. Let's say login. Now I'm in members area, dashboard, support, introduction of welcome to TwistTax, the download of TwistTax here, the installation of Google Chrome extension also available. If you want to add the extension, click to download. The TwistTax training courses, overview, how to create your Twitter profile, TwistTax follows, TwistTax tweets, TwistTax direct messaging, low ticket of campaigns, high ticket campaigns, upgrade also available. Let's I play the introduction welcome TwistTax video. Let's see.
Hey there, welcome and congratulations on picking up TwistX. Now, I'm sure you are super keen to dive into the training, so I'm not going to take up too much of your time inside of this video. My name is John Armstrong, and I've prepared a free workshop for you to attend. This is going to be happening live on the 5th of July, which is Monday. Now, it's also going to be an encore of this workshop on Tuesday at a different time, and then also one final time on Wednesday. So I really hope that you're going to be able to attend this free workshop, because on the
Let's I show the overview. It's your overview training class lesson 1 and how to create a Twitter profile. Lesson number 2, you see, and TwistX follows the lesson 3. It's completely training improve your business with the help of TwistX follows.
Hey guys, welcome back.
See,
Again, I'll be showing you
this is the lesson 1 of TwistX follows. Next one, TwistX twist class. Lesson number 4, TwistX direct messaging. It's a training of lesson 5. Campaign, low ticket campaigns training class, high ticket campaign classes, upgrades. This is the upgrade of value. TwistX unlimited upgrade, value $47, upgrade to $97, upgrade 3 $147, upgrade $197, upgrade 5. It's complete total upgrade also available. Let's show about the support page. Now we are, how can we help you today? It's a support page, home solutions, it's a status, that's home. Next, now I click the new support ticket. your request email ID, subject, description. If any problem in the TwistX, also included the files submitted. If you have problem, the supporters team help to log in, then after to accept the complaints, immediately clear these problems. So it's a best one for the affiliators, e-marketers, digital marketers, blah blah. It's a best way, so don't miss it. Instantly buy this option. I show the upgrade now. Now in upgrade page, how to get the list of 10x, the more traffic generated, more commission, build bigger list. This is one he is now.
Hey, congratulations on picking up your copy of TwitX. Well done, and thank you so much for picking this up. Now, I'm going to go through some of the optional upgrades that we have available to you during this TwitX launch. Now, please remember that these upgrades are not essential for TwitX to be able to work. You already have that. These upgrades are only there to help you get either faster or bigger results. So, inside of this first upgrade, the copy of TwitX that you have just bought is the front-end version. This is the Pro version. Now, what that means is, with the front-end version, you can do a maximum.
So, if you instantly get $20 discount for the each upgrades, so don't miss it. Fast and get the TwitX to improve your business. Don't miss it. It's a best way. It's happened just 3 simple steps. Let's show how it's. I explained the step 1, log in the target, the million of buyers by niche or keywords. The step 2, watch the app instantly, find your laser of target traffic. Step 3, promote the build in your offer your own for free lead sales. It's back to TwistX, keep showing your traffic result on autopilot. Now I explain the highlights of TwistX app. The TwistX, you click autopilot traffic, virtually unlimited free traffic. Now you are in your fingertips. Find, follow the niche target users. Twist your promote, including link of thousands of buyers instantly. DM your hottest lead of skyrocket conversation. Virtually unlimited free traffic now in your fingerprint. Enter the single keyword. TwistX generate the traffic from the 330 millions of users on autopilot. The next one, 500% Devi coming campaigns. The instant monetization of TwistX lets you promote any link you want, affiliate, promo, e-com product, your own offer, lead the page, anything. To give a massive head of start, whether you are a beginner, just want fast to 2 income streams. You get 5 of our top converting campaigns completely done for you. The Blacks or Play evergreen offers are ready to go straight out of the box. Many beta teasers have got the same day result from this. The easiest way, the free traffic commission. Over the shoulder profit training. Your shortcuts are to result step by step. The video walk you thought using this app, and specifically strategies are generation for the most traffic profit possible. So if you are like most of our beta teasers of I don't know much about Twitter, don't worry because you are recovered. And the app does 99% have lifting for you already. You Here you will see this unlock the best result from these untapped traffic sources. How to twist get your free buyer traffic better and faster anything less in 2021. Push a button easy. Laser target buyers over 330 million of untapped users, and the mass promote direct message 100% free traffic, DFA monetization, and highest ticket commissions, pure profit system, actually beginner friendly, absolutely no tech skill background to the tutor experience needed. So don't waste the time. Let's show how it's working. I explain by one and step. Let's see. Let's enter.